So this question asks us, find the formula of the following relation in the form of this. Okay, so here we are looking at a circle, and with the circle it's important to get the center point. So the center in this situation will be, it looks like it will be -3 for the x value and 2 for the y value. So x is equal to -3. This is the center, and also y is equal to +2. So what we can do is we can convert these two answers. We can see that they're in bracket form, so we have to convert them into bracket form. So x +3 and y -2 will be the conversion, and therefore we then place it into the equation. So put into equation. So we have y plus, whoops, not plus, minus. Excuse this rubber, it's not working. Okay, so y -2 squared plus x +3 squared equals to r squared. Now, the radius in this situation, we could potentially, we can't figure it out. We can't see what the radius is because if we go from there to there, we don't actually know what that bit there is. So we can't really tell. But what we do know is that we have these two intersections there. So we don't know the radius, but we can certainly use one of those coordinates to figure it out. So if we use, it doesn't matter which one you use, I'm going to use -2 and 0 to find the radius. So when we do that, this is x, this is y. So plugging it into the formula, 0 -2 squared plus -2 +3 squared equals to the radius, which is r squared. And then this is going to give us 4 plus minus, not -1, but just 1 squared equals to r squared. And r squared is equal to 5. So r is actually equal to square root of 5. That's the radius, but remember the formula already has r squared. So the formula of the circle is y -2 squared plus x +3 equals to 5. This is our final answer. So you won't always be able to detect what the radius is, but if you've got some of the points, some of the intercepts, that will help.